So it's been a few days, but here it is, the new head, guys. This thing obviously has seen some miles, but thank goodness that we have a new head, well, an old head with new stuff on it. So all this is going to come out. We're going to put the new stuff in it, and then, well, before we do that, we're going to take this thing apart and we're going straight to the machine shop. Because if you look on the bottom of this one, it ain't looking too good either. So as you can see, seen some better days. Valves are gone. So definitely gonna replace everything that has to do with that. But all we needed was this bad boy right here, the head itself. So anything else we can tear apart. And son of a biscuit eating bitch, that hurt. But anyway, yeah, here it is. Get that shit out of my face right now.
So me personally, I've never touched a Honda head. But it doesn't look that bad. I think for the most part we'll be okay. I mean, if we break it, oh no, it's not my car. So.
Okay, well, that doesn't make me feel any better.
All right, I'm gonna start by taking these 10mm bolts out on the cradle and go from there. I think it'll be pretty simple. I'm gonna start cracking them loose from the middle. I don't know that it matters. I'm now learning that they are not 10mm, and I do.
Dude.
Shut up, bitch! Now I've got a 12mm. I'm gonna start taking these out. Start from the center. Make sure that's right. Alright, I've got all of those loose, I think. Take a little pry bar and just give it a little bit, see if it comes loose. There we go. Okay, we've got all of those out, cradle out. I don't know what you call these. What are these? VTEC? Just VTEC? What do you call them?
There's a little funny frog on my phone, dude. Look.
Bro.
So this, yeah, that's really where you want to be, dude. Proud of you, dude.
Don't touch me. I hate you.
You want to get these little dowel pins out, okay?
Yeah, you want to take that?
Oh, there's only fucking one in there, unless they're on the. There's only one in there. Full rotation, baby.
Okay, now I've got my trusty 3/8 ratchet. His name is Steve, and he's going to take these loose for us. Okay. I'm going to barely crack them all, about a quarter turn each, just to try and keep everything nice and even, so that we don't break anything. Very delicate head, about as delicate as Scotty's feelings. What did I say?
Call the machine shop right now. I need you to be quiet.
Dude, say it, don't spray it.
I didn't. Okay.
Like a little baby ball.
He doesn't want to admit it, but I think we should YouTube this. Let's get. Oh, you want to hit it with a hammer?
You take a really big fucking...
I think we should YouTube it. Alright, so Josh has disassembled most of this head. As we covered before, the only thing that we were kind of concerned about up top was these journals inside the head where the cam sits. But, as you can see, there's no major scoring. I think we can live with that. So nothing up here is too concerning. We're going to get these valves out of here and then take the intake off, take the VTEC solenoid off. Of course, this scraggly hose that's kind of hanging around. And then we're going to take it to the machine shop. I tried calling one, and they're out of the shop for the whole week, so I'm going to make a few more phone calls while Josh takes these valves out. He's probably going to need my help on these, but yeah, I need to have this machine hopefully by this week, and if I can't do that, I'll be very upset. But we might just slap it on with that machine, because that's what I like to do that a lot. Don't shake your head at me. All right, we'll be right back, guys. Is this your first time too?
Yeah.
I'll be a fucking death wish because this thing has no brakes at all.
Oh god, please. I want out.
Wait,
I want out.
Wait, put the camera on the watch. We'll fucking slide right through the stop sign.
Oh, we
And
made
stopped.
it. We made it.
Here we are at our local Harbor Freight. Did you bring your shiesty? You did it?
Alright guys, we just got out of the harbor for TT, and they had exactly what we needed. This will work perfect for it. Make our lives a lot easier. You got anything to say there?
Shut the fuck! Alright, so we did a few things off camera because Josh forgot to film. But we got the VTEC solenoid off. We have the intake off. That's a big one. I don't know how I was struggling with that one. So both these are off. Now we get to use this new handy dandy tool we bought. This bad boy is gonna solve all of our problems, except for my broken marriage. Check that out. So I just caught a fish or something. That's a 5-pounder, baby. And now we're gonna use this and press stuff out with it. Yeah.
Okay, and then right here we got.
Autobots roll out.
What are you
This is
doing?
Megatron, and this is Dinosaurus Tronus. He's
Okay, dude, where'd you get those?
he's an Autobot.
You're gonna start taking this serious, dude. I'm tired of this shit.
Okay.
Okay, get up. Okay, I'm gonna try and figure out how to use this thing on this thing right here. On this, I'm assuming I can just set it on top of that. That should give me enough room, maybe. Dude, what are you doing? Get out of there!
Okay.
Okay, so I'm 90% sure I'm using this wrong. Okay, I'm pretty sure you put it on there and you turn this nut, but that nut's really tight and doesn't feel right. I have discovered if you just stick a little something in here, it turns real easy. And look, the valve keeps already coming out. I've never done this and it's been so easy. And it pushes down on this ring right here, right? And you gotta do that because it's got these two little bitty things in there. I'll pull them out in just a second. And those keep all of this together. I'll show everything once I get that off. But so now we got a magnet. We should be able to. There we go. We got one of them. So they're like little half circles at kind of a cone shape. They get a little smaller towards the bottom. And that's the second one. So that's two for one of the intake valves on cylinder 4. What are you doing over there, buddy? You watching TikToks?
Did you know that AutoZone sells so hot wings is what that says? Well, as you can see, I'm in different attire, and that's because it's been a few days and it's a little bit colder because we're at the end of November and I've called a few machine shops and none of them are open, so we're probably gonna have to wait till next week. I already have kind of one lined up. I got a buddy that's gonna take this to the shop while I go to my 9 to 5 because YouTube is not paying the bills. So yeah, this is we're gonna stop the video here. Probably gonna be the end of it. I think we got enough to kind of go off to see what we're gonna do next. And the next video, we will slap this thing on and hope this thing runs. And I hope it does. I think it will. There's no reason it shouldn't. Yeah. So guys, we'll catch you whenever this thing is back in one piece, or whenever this thing's machined.